Hey guys, welcome to Mesa, Arizona. We're in a neighborhood called East Mark, and we just did this beautiful barn door, two barn doors actually for these clients. Backside, really cool. You probably saw in the intro. This is just the backside of the beautiful gray wood that we installed. It's a nice brown tone. Come on inside. I'll show you what we did here. This is our little guest room. We actually did two stay rollers at the bottom on this one because the door is rolling past the outlets. So we got outlets here, and they want to be able to reach those outlets, so the door is rolling past that. So when you roll it in there, it hits both stay rollers, and when it's shut, kind of creates a nice little area, nice little TV room area. So that's door number one. Follow me down, I'm going to show you door number two. Going down this way. So door number two is real typical what we do in the master bathroom, master bedroom. Clients like to get up earlier than the other spouse potentially, and so we block off that light, and here's door number two. So almost identical to door number one, a little bit narrower. We change the pattern up. So this is a 30-degree chevron, the other side. So if you were to put them together, it would be a nice chevron. So same style, only use one stay roller on this one, just because we didn't need to use two. And then opens up to the bathroom. So we put a stopper on the end down there and a stopper here. So when it rolls, it hits that, and then there you go, fully stop. So that's the two barn doors in this house here in East Mark, Mesa neighborhood in Arizona. So if you're interested in a barn door, if you'd like to see one of these in person, feel free to come by my shop. You can also look me up at Eating Down Home on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and internet. Thanks. Have a good one.